All right, so in this word activity, we're creating a family tree, and you need to start with yourself and a picture of yourself. If you don't have a picture of yourself to insert, the first thing you'll want to do is go to Photo Booth. When you click on Photo Booth, then you'll be able to click on the picture and take one of yourself. Okay, I'm sitting in a dark room, and so therefore there is nothing to take of me but dark air. Alright, so now what I want to do is we're going to insert a picture from the browser, and then you can click on all these photo albums in your iPhoto or in your photo booth. I'm just going to find a picture of me. I'm going to click and drag it over. I need to resize that. Notice when I resize, it's going to stay in one place. Like, I cannot move this picture even though I want to. Like, I can make it go this way. I can, tilt it. But it's not going to let me move it from one space. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to click on Picture Format. And in Picture Format, I'm going to click my drop down for a range, and I can find Wrap Text, and I'm going to put Tight. Now I can move this wherever I want freely. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple ways to add some shapes and how this might work. I'm going to insert a shape, and I'm going to pick a triangle. When I pick that triangle, I'll put it up here. Okay, I'm going to pick my shape fill. One next thing I need to do is I need to insert text. I need to know what this shape is representing. It's going to represent my dad. So I'm going to put insert text box. Click and drag that text box to create it. I'm going to put my dad's name, Don, dad. Okay. I might want to decide that I want this to be, whoopsie, undo. I want this to be centered, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to my home button. There's a ribbon, your home ribbon. I'm going to click center, and there's that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a shape for my mom. Now, you can pick the people that you want, the relatives that you want in your family tree, and I'm going to and you can pick the shapes. So I'm going to go to this ribbon right here. Before I was going to the way top bar, but I'm going to go to insert, and now I'm going to look at this one that has shapes, and I have all these same options, they just look different. So I'm going to click on oval. I'm going to put an oval here, and I'm going to make her oval orange. Okay. Boy, I made that really big. We'll make that a little smaller. And then I'll insert a text box again, and I can do that right here on this same ribbon that I was just at. And where it's down here, text. And that's where I can pick text box. You could put word art in there maybe if you wanted to. Again, you're just making this your own. I do want to know who's in your family tree though, whether it be aunts, uncles, grandparents, siblings. I'm going to go back to my home ribbon and click center. Again, you don't have to do all that. And then to draw a line, if you wanted to put lines in, those are shapes. So a line is insert, shape. You can find all your lines. Okay, if you pick a squiggly one, you can draw it however you want and put it in. When you click on that line, you can change the color of that line. Right now, I'm going to change it to black. There we go. All right, so I have been working on this assignment this morning, and this is my finished product. You guys will have class time to get this done. Be creative and have fun with what you work on.